If you're a student dreaming of a career in AI, then you need to check these out. Generative AI and advanced AI applications are revolutionizing industries. From healthcare to education and even cybersecurity, AI is streamlining innovation and boosting efficiency. So, what careers should you consider as a beginner in AI? Here are the top 5 roles to help you get started. First up, AI ML engineer. You'll develop AI models and machine learning algorithms. Next, data analyst. You'll dig into data to provide actionable insights for AI training. Third, natural language processing specialist. Work on AI applications for language understanding and generation. Fourth, AI product manager. Manage the development and implementation of AI-based products. And fifth, AI research assistant. Support research projects in artificial intelligence and machine learning. These roles lay a strong foundation for your AI career. So get ready, take the leap, and shape the future with AI. Links are given below in the description.